There are a couple of places that you can use to hide a client. Hide in the sense that you don't want to work on him, presumably because the client didn't pay. So one way is when you go to the dispute center, right? Either from here to the expert area or from here. And so from here you can hide this particular client. Okay, so you can click on it and hide current client, or unhide it, or hide selected clients if there were many, or unhide selected clients. So this one obviously will be hide, and then you see that it's red. That means that this client won't be selected when you are clicking find dispute to print, so won't be selected. Also, it can be omitted from the stats report, and also can be hidden and omitted from the stats report. So we're going to see that in a second. So let's go back here, and we can, from the creative repair menu, dispute stats report, and from here we can see all, you see, and the program asks if you want to see omitted clients. Well, usually the default is no, or you can show selected ones. I mean, the clients are selected no matter what, but let's say no. And in this case, well, since we haven't printed anything, there is no one here in the dispute stats report. In order to show something, of course this is testing platform, so I'm gonna fake and print these things, right? These disputes. So so I'm printing them. Okay, fine, they're printed, and now they should be available in the disputes stats report. So see, consider all, okay, and we're not gonna omit anyone. So you see they're hidden, but he's not, this client is not omitted. I can also omit it, right? So if I omit it, you see, like you see the red here is omitted. Well, that means that when I enter this dispute stats report, if I don't select yes, if I select the default no, I don't see anything. If I go back again and I select here all, but I select yes, okay, so these are, so that's how you can control which one that you're going to, you know, to if you are checking here and it's omitted, if it's omitted, well, definitely you're not gonna even see it. It's gonna be unless you actually say yes and you omit that one. Okay, so that is also possible. And here we have, well, all the records, but you can clear this one, right? And again, I'm gonna enter one more time, and I'm gonna select all, and no, well, I click no. I think that there was one. There was only one that it was, I believe, a Porsche. So I'm gonna say yes this time. So yes, yeah. So I have Porsche, which I can uncheck, or I can even select from here by the ones that have been omitted if I want to produce a list. So let's say this one is omitted, and I want to find from select from all, so all the ones that are omitted. So I have that list, and if it wasn't omitted, well, then the list will give me 0, nothing. It is that simple. It's just a matter of understand what's going on. Thanks.